MSU Center for Veterinary Health Sciences, collaborative efforts are focusing on herpes viruses that affect primates, humans, and horses.
I'm Dr. Laura Maxwell. I've been very lucky to work with Dr. Everly and his technician Darla Black since coming to Oklahoma State University in 2003. Dr. Everly is one of the world's premier researchers in monkey B virus and in HVP2. Both of these viruses do not produce much disease in their host species, but if they get into people, can produce very devastating neurological disease and death in the majority of people who have been diagnosed with these illnesses. So we are exploring the use of different antiviral drugs, either administering them systemically throughout the whole body or topically to the site of infection. We have done research to date on HVP2 and monkey B virus and the use of antiviral drugs. So our idea is that ultimately any place in which these monkeys are housed would have a pack available, and anyone who was scratched or bitten could immediately apply this topical antiviral to the skin, and this would prevent the infection from ever getting established.
Another research project of Dr. Maxwell's involves horses.
We have a multidisciplinary team that has been interested in the mitigation and prevention of equine herpes myeloencephalopathy in horses. It's a disease that's become increasingly important to the equine industry due to outbreaks that result in quarantines, closures of racetracks, horse shows, as well as individual horses that are affected. And since the disease can be so devastating, it can result either in death or in damage to a career of a show horse or racehorse.
So the principal herpes virus of concern is equine herpes virus type 1. Affects all kinds of horses in all regions, and it's been present a long time. The majority of the horses infected with herpes virus develop an acute respiratory disease. A moderate number also suffer abortions, and a small subset, however, develop a neurologic disease that's typified by hind limb ataxia, urinary incontinence, and some other neurologic signs. Disease outbreaks have continued and are a large impact on the equine industry in general. The economic impact of that Sunland Park outbreak on the racing in the state of New Mexico was estimated at $1.8 million.
We do have reason to think that both vaccination and the use of antiviral drugs can be protective for horses. We think that this approach can be helpful for the industry. All of these measures together we think can mitigate the disease and prevent as many horses as possible from coming down with this devastating condition.